Claude Code is one of the best AI coding assistant out there, but nobody talks about the facts that you can run it completely free forever without hitting the Anthropic rate limit or paying like $20 a month. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in under 5 minutes using OpenRouter. I have created a video a couple of days before how to run Claude Code completely free using Ollama. But the challenge was like, you need to have download the model locally, and which consumes a lot of memory, and it have a limitation that you cannot run a bigger model in your local machines because of the memory and the context it needed. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you something you don't even need to download anything into your local. It's going to be completely, to the internet, and you're not running anything from your laptop. We're going to use OpenRouter, and we are going to use some free models where there are different models where OpenRouter gives, and we just need to create an API, and we need to call these models to your Claude Code. So here's the issue, right? When you use Claude Code Pro, it's like $20 a month. And even like if you have heavy API usage, it hits like $50 or $200 per month, or you have some rate limit that you cannot use more than when you are just paying $20. And what we are going to do is like we are going to use OpenRouter, which is 100% free, and there are a lot of models which have completely free, which you can just connect using those API keys from OpenRouter. So OpenRouter is like a unified API gateway that routes your requests like over 200 AI models, whether it could be from Cloud, Gemini, DeepSeek, Qwen, Llama, or NVIDIA. There are different models which you can find from the OpenRouter, and we just need to use the API to get into one of those. So some of those models are completely free. There are also like paid one, but we will use the free one, and there is no billing, no credit card, just an API key. And here are some of the free model which we'll be using, or I can recommend for you to use. And one of the best one or option one is like OpenRouter free, which is like a set of model which you can automatically route, because once you set this model OpenRouter free, it can route it automatically to the request based on the free models available, and you don't need to set any specific configuration. And there are like step 1, 3.5 flash, which is like 256 context. You also have like NVIDIA Nemetron, which is also good. You also have RCAI, Liquid, LFM. So there are different models which you can see which are completely free. If you don't have Claude Code installed on your machine, just run the npm install, or there is also the new installation using curl. I think the npm is more deprecated, so you can install Claude Code and just check your Claude Code version. Okay, and if you're using Windows, you can use WSL, or you can install it directly on the Windows as well. What we are going to do, we are going to set up a free API key for OpenRouter, and we are going to use that. So as I said, OpenRouter, get an account with that. It's completely free. Then you go to, I already have a API key, but you can just click on create, give a name, as I will give test. Then you can set an expiration, or if you don't want to set an expiration, just click create. It will give you an API key. Just copy this API key, which will always start with SKOR, right? So I will delete this because I already have one. So once you have the API key, the next step is super simple. Go to your cloud settings.json. You can do it in two ways. You can do it specific to your project. In my case, I'm inside the project and I have the folder .cloud, and you put this setting.json. And what you can do is then you can set this configuration. What we are basically doing is we are setting Anthropic to route it to the OpenRouter API. And we need to set your Open API, the OpenRouter API key here, which we just created. Put it here, and then keep this one always blank. Anthropic API key. Keep this blank. It is specifically done it. Don't remove that line. Just keep it blank. Then you define your model. So you can set the OpenRouter free, or you can also set other ones. So if you want to see some models, you can go to the models in OpenRouter, and you can see which model is best. So you can see this one have different ones which it automatically route. You can also search for free here, and then it will list out different models. So let me go to here. You can search for free, then it will list out some free models here. Or other option is you can also come to the categories, or the prompt pricing. You can just make it for free, 0, then it will list down. You can see the NVIDIA Llama Nemetron is completely free. You can see $0 per million tokens and $0 for output tokens. So you can simply use this one. This would be the model number if you want to use. There are more here, so you can look at what is available, then you can use one of those. So basically I would like to use set for the OpenRouter free one. Then once you set it, what you can do is, this is my cloud. Okay, you can see it's using Sonnet, and this setting is like a default one which I'm using from my home. But in this case I logged in with if I exit from here, and if I log in again with cloud here, you can see I'm using OpenRouter free because I'm inside this project and I have my .cloud and also my setting.json. If you put the setting.json inside your home directory, because by default Cloud Code have a setting.json inside your home directory, then it will apply for every Cloud Code instance. But for this demo I'm only setting it to the project, and then you can see if I go to model, you can see I'm using OpenRouter free, right? Then you can simply say whatever you want, then it will start. You can see it's asking what do you want to do. Let me see, what is OpenRouter? Let's ask. You can see it given the output like OpenRouter is API. It's super fast, not like your local LLM, which you have to download and you need to have high CPU and high memory for running it. This is quite fast and you don't need to set up anything locally on this machine. So I would tell you that use this method to set up your Claude Code if you want to run something free and you don't have to pay for your your Claude Code your instance, right? So this would be a super helpful setup, and I will link all these things to the video description. So as I said, I had this previous tutorial of Llama downloading this Claude Code, but as I was telling, it could be not that suitable because of the size and the memory you need for running it. But this is super great. This is completely simple work, just few lines of code just in your settings.json, and you can start using your Claude Code completely free. So this is the configuration file which I was saying, put this anthropic settings into the settings.json. That's it. Then you have 0 model. You can also run with the ---- model once you set up the router API, but I will prefer you set up your model in the anthropic model by default. Then you don't have to make any changes. You can just set it up there. Super great, right? I hope you like this video and you can completely functional AI assistant at 0 cost. And I'm sure you like this. You try this one out, and drop a comment if you're already using Claude Code, or if this is your first time. Let me know if this video helps you, and if you need any help on setting up, I'm always ready to help you. Just put a comment into the video comment section if you face some problems. The full instructions, as I was showing, it's available in the video. I will put into the video description. Just copy paste the template and just put it to your settings.json. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you want to see more videos like DevOps or DevSecOps, subscribe to my channel. Also like this video so that it can reach out to more people. And I will see you in the next video.